Mangalyaan was a beginning, not a peak. Since its success, India's space ambitions have grown in both vision and scope. What was once a single mission to Mars has now become a multi-planet roadmap, with the Moon, Venus, and even exoplanets in sight. One of the most anticipated missions is Gaganyaan, India's first human spaceflight program. Designed to send astronauts into low Earth orbit aboard an Indian-built spacecraft, it marks the beginning of crewed missions and paves the way for future lunar landings and space stations. Then there's Shukrayaan, the upcoming mission to Venus. Using knowledge from Mangalyaan, it will explore the planet's thick atmosphere, surface volcanism, and habitability. ISRO has already begun instrument development in collaboration with international partners. But the future doesn't stop with planetary science. ISRO is investing in solar observation missions, including Aditya L1, which will study solar flares and coronal mass ejections, critical to understanding how the Sun affects Earth's space weather and satellites. Back on the Moon, Chandrayaan-3 is carrying forward India's lunar goals, and discussions are already underway for lunar sample return missions and potential participation in international moon bases. Private Indian space startups are rising fast. Companies like Skyroot Aerospace and Chat Agnikul Cosmos are developing small satellite launch vehicles, reusable boosters, and interplanetary nanoprobes. A new generation of space entrepreneurs is building on ISRO's foundations. And globally, India's role is growing. Joint missions with NASA, JAXA, and ESA are being actively explored. Indian tracking stations and data networks are supporting spacecraft from multiple countries. The international community now views India not just as a participant, but as a partner. At Infinity Beyond, we believe Mangalyaan changed more than India's position in space. It changed its trajectory. From cost-effective innovation to global cooperation, India's path forward is now defined by ambition, technical confidence, and visionary goals. The nation that once launched satellites into Earth orbit is now charting multi-planetary strategies. One day, astronauts may step on the Moon with an Indian flag on their suits. One day, Mars may have an Indian-built surface rover exploring its valleys. One day, a telescope designed in Bangalore might spot life on an exoplanet. And when that happens, we'll look back at a small, efficient underdog spacecraft called Mangalyaan and realize that this humble mission was the spark that lit India's cosmic fire. The horizon is no longer the limit. It's just the beginning.